Good morning. It's actually just turned 2 a.m. So today we're gonna run from here to Antipolo and back. So Santa Mesa to Antipolo and back. I don't know what I look like right now. It's probably like butt. But I'm gonna take my collagen pills. Make me some coffee. Gonna get my legs warmed up. Aside from that, everything's chilling though. I'm about to go. I'm listening to Tyla right now. Make me sway. Yo, guys, I'm here na. Dito na din si Coach. Run for like 27 minutes, 3.4 kilometers. Na si Coach. About to run. 10 kilometers deep na kami, Coach. Let's go. Let's get it. 40 for today. Checkpoint. I played 7-Eleven.
Pinabudol ka na eh. Let's go. Kain. Hindi na malakas.
Ultraman.
Hanggang piniyang meron doon na sila nakatira. Talaga. Parang bago.
Miki, nasa Marikina na kami. Okay. Sige, Coach. Yes, sir, skiing. Yung binabike niya, tinakbo namin. In the mountains, bro. Guys, naka 20 kilometers na kami, guys. It's been 2 hours, 23 minutes. Yo! Oh, akat sila oh. Akat din kami. Ahon. Let's go, Coach. Hirap sila, Coach, oh. Mas hirap tayo. Ito yung runner's high, guys, kasi high elevation. Oh. 21K up the mountain, just like that. Cause why not? Bro, I have so much energy still. So guys, nagpapahinga kami ni Coach. Ayan si bro. Ito si bro, pinakapoging aso sa Antipolo. Back on the road.
Ultra points. Ay, dito.
Yes, sir. Sa Antipolo na ako. Aon coffee guys.
Ulit.
After
Nagubad
23
ako sayang, may pitik
kilometers.
Galing, oh. Marikina ba yan? Nasa building.
Guys, bumaba na kami guys. Tapos na kami magkape. Gusto lang talaga namin nagkape sa ahon. Kaya tumakbo na lang kami. Alam mo. Last 5 kilometers guys. Not gonna lie guys, pagod na ako. Grabe. Ako na ng oil change. Oil change na to guys. Uy, ba't may naliligo sa labas? So guys, I am 39 kilometers in. Lapit na. Medyo baliw na ako. Sa tingin ko, may unti akong brain damage na. Pero easy run lang talaga to guys. Easy run, easy run. Medyo difficult lang dahil sa weather. Guys, last kilometer guys. Nasa gitna ako ng kalsada. Last kilometer na guys. Si coach. Whoa! Patapos na guys. That's 40 kilometers. 28 plus 12, 40. Nasabis na ako guys. Ayan na si coach. Napaka nakakabaliw. Pakita ko sa inyo yung run sa screen, yung route, yung time, everything. Dito na tayo sa SIP. 40 kilometer total. Grabe, thank you kay coach. Clutch na clutch siya. Libre niya ako sa mga nutrition along the way. Tsaka yung angkas ko siya nag-book. Thank you talaga kay coach W. Coach. Thank you rin kay Jesus obviously bro. Throughout the whole run I prayed for protection and guidance. Pinigayan ni God. I'm super tired. Yeah, I'm home. 40 kilometer total. I'm gonna sleep, or I'm gonna eat first, then pass out.